Hey everybody, today I want to show you how you can make money on ClickBank without a website. Now most people think that to make money online you need to create your own products and then build a website to sell them. Well, the method I'm going to show you today doesn't require you to create your own products, build your own website, or even handle any customer service, shipping, or returns. It's called affiliate marketing, and it's a method I've been using for over a decade now and have generated quite a bit of money. With affiliate marketing, someone else builds a product, builds a website, handles all the shipping and customer service, and your job is to simply send people to that website using a special link. If someone uses your link to buy a product, you get paid. Best thing ever. It's that simple, and it's probably the best way I know right now to make money online if you're a complete beginner and you're starting from scratch. But listen, if it was that easy, everybody would be doing it and everybody would be a millionaire. So you have to know how to do this method the right way. So stick around because I'm going to show you a case study on how you can find an awesome product to promote that can generate income every month, all while building a long-term business for you. But before that, if you're new here, I'd like to welcome you to this channel. Kia ora. Our goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. I like to think we give you the truth, the whole truth, and no BS. And whenever someone asks me what's my favorite way to make money online, I always tell them affiliate marketing. Why? Because with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products, services, or courses. You simply promote someone else's product programs and collect a commission every time someone makes a sale. It's the best method I know to make money online, no matter what your level of experience is. So I've created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So to be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever a new strategy is live. Alright, so let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is find a product to promote. I use a website called ClickBank, which is a marketplace that shows me dozens and dozens of high-quality offers that I can promote and make commission on. The best part is, if you create an account on their website and just hit the search button, you'll see all the top converting offers that are working right now. The one that I found is a product called Yoga Burn, which helps people lose weight and get in shape using yoga. And right now, people promoting this offer are making an average of $126 per sale. So if you sell one of these a day, you're going to make thousands per month. So let's use this offer as a case study for now and move on to the next step. Now that you've got your offer, we're going to build an affiliate funnel, okay? I use software called ClickFunnels, which allows me to build these affiliate funnels out. In fact, my team built one just for this funnel, and I've included a link in the description where you can get it for free, and use it to promote Yoga Burn or any other fitness offer. But here's a quick breakdown of an affiliate funnel, how affiliate funnel works. Typically, there are two parts. First, there's a landing page where you invite someone to give you their email in exchange for a free gift. You'll see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important later. But for now, just know that this page is designed to build your email list. Now, sometimes we have to create free gifts ourselves, but in this funnel, the actual sales page on Yoga Burn is so informative, we just told people what they'll learn by watching the video on the sales page and use that as a way to get them to give their email address. Secondly, you're going to build a thank you page. Now, the whole purpose of this page is to get them to click on your affiliate link so that if they do buy Yoga Burn, you get a commission on that sale, because all you want them to do is click the link. This thank you page can be super simple. So now that we have our offer, we have our affiliate funnel built, it's time to move on to step 3. Step 3, promoting additional offers through email marketing. Promoting Yoga Burn is a great way to make some extra cash. But if you're looking for a way to turn this into a full-time income stream and make some serious money online, the way to do that is to continue promoting offers and products to your list, hence the reference earlier. These additional offers can be training programs or courses that help them to get better at yoga, or supplies they need like mats or working equipment, or they can be additional programs that help them lose weight. The beauty of the strategy is once you've got your own list, you'll be able to send out additional content and promotions without having to acquire new customers each and every time. Yoga Burn do have an extensive product range, so there's plenty of potential for recurring income. Now, I won't sugarcoat this, because to be truly successful with this method, you're going to need a fully fledged funnel build-out, an email autoresponder, and a great email copy to help sell your offers. Additional offers that are high converting and already proven to work. Not to mention strategies on getting traffic through paid ads or organic growth, and solo ads and so on. You can certainly build all the stuff out yourself, but you can do it with what I did, was to partner with someone who already had done that, right? Thinking up here. I recently partnered with an 8-figure entrepreneur who allowed me to plug myself into his 50 million digital empire using his funnel, his emails, his ads, and even his favorite offers to promote. That way, I have an incredible head start when I was trying to build out a business for myself. The best part, you can literally get started for just a few dollars a month. Okay? Don't believe me? Check out the link in my description and see for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe, and you'll be notified when our next video has been released. All right? Have a good day. Cheers.